Bonjour.
Bonjour, Mama.
Hello. This is Carlo.
And Seb.
And then we're preparing, or he's preparing something for Thanksgiving dinner. This one right here. So we have a new chef, and he's preparing that. Mm-hmm. Did you take the thing out from here already?
And then you're going to insert all of that inside.
So Mom said that all the things that he's preparing, we're going to put down inside the turkey. Take a picture of you. 1, 2, 3. Mom said he's going to put all this inside this turkey.
Okay.
And then this is the pay.
You need to make a quack.
Okay. Even the skin of the.
I remove that?
No, I don't think so.
No.
That one.
The onion na.
Yeah.
It's only the meat.
Okay.
The orange all, including
The
The skin.
skin, because there's
More flavor.
more flavor. Oh, right, honey.
Do you wash your hands?
Yeah.
You did, of course. So I'm just the filmmaker, and then
This is how to
here's
do
the
it.
chef.
Okay.
De Thanksgiving aux États-Unis, donc du coup j'apprends à préparer ce qu'il faut mettre dans la dinde. Donc je commence par couper l'oignon et les oranges et le citron, et après je devrais passer à l'étape 2 qui sera le fourrage de la dinde, ce qui me donne vachement envie de le faire.
Too bad.
Hindi mo kami pinagbibili niyan, ha?
No. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. What are you doing now?
Je suis en train de fourrer la dinde.
You're gonna go put it all in.
You put all the things.
No, that was just
Yeah. And then you put the quack there.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Bonjour.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. I think everything is here. Yeah, we have access to. Okay.
Okay.
We're going to put the butter in between the skin and then the meat.
I taught you
Okay,
how
you're
to
just
do
going
it.
to do this, yeah. So my mom will going to show us how to
This is the base.
do this. Yeah, so you do that, and I'm gonna do the one. Here, this one. There we go. So now we're just going to put the butter. I'll put down and then you do.
And then yeah.
It's broken.
After that, you're going to put this in here.
Mommy is broken.
Broken. Do you have another
Brass?
brush?
What's this?
I'll go-
Oh, that's okay. Yeah.
There you go. And then you put some inside this. there you go. That's how you lather it, and then yeah, I think it's done.
Yeah.
Okay. Then pour down. And then the bird is ready. And then take a picture of it after that. Here. We'll pretend that we're doing it. We're putting the foil so that it will not going to get burned. And Mom said we're going to put it for 350 degrees for how many hours? Until 7? Yeah. So we'll be ready. How is it? Here we go.
This one?
You can take a picture with me. And,